Today, we're pitting the Airbus A380 against none other than the USS John C. Stennis, an aircraft carrier in GOFS. The carrier is just over 330 meters or 1,090 feet long, while the typical landing distance of an A380 is over 2,000 meters, or close to 7,000 feet. We're going to start with no headwind, and if I don't succeed by the 10th attempt, we're going to use headwind. Here goes nothing. As we can see, we were actually quite close. We fell off the carrier at just over 20 knots, which means this might actually be possible. Now for my second attempt. Will I be able to do it this time? Considering we were quite close on the last one, the chances are pretty high that we might do it without headwind. Also, on our last attempt, we landed at about 130 knots, which means that our giant A380 decelerated 110 knots in 300 meters. That's crazy, to say the least. The carrier's arrestor cables, by the way, are not helping us, since GOFS only registers their deceleration with aircraft that have the hook for the cables. And we actually did worse this time, flying off at a sheer 50 knots. Yikes. Our third attempt. Remember, this is a highly unrealistic goal to achieve quickly, so we're going to give it 10 tries before adding headwind. I've chosen a wing view to show this landing to you. No doubt looking out of the window of an A380 that's about to land on a literal aircraft carrier is absolutely terrifying. Let's see how well we can do.
Get out!
Ah, dang it. Still 7 more attempts to go. Fourth attempt. Fifth attempt. Sixth attempt. Still nothing. Maybe we'll get it this time. Our 7th attempt, and I'm already getting tired of doing this. Come on, please. Yes. Holy shit. We did it. Conclusion time. Can you land an A380 on an aircraft carrier? Well, in real life, no. Period. And please don't try it. But in GOFS, yes. I don't have anything else to say. Goodbye. Thanks for making it all the way to the end of the video. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to see more similar aviation content. Have a great day and see you next time.